Dora and Friends. Island of the Lost Horses. One day, Dora and her friends visit a farm. They meet the farmer. Naya's cousin Marco wants to ride the farmer's horse. Her name is Dulce. There is a long line of kids waiting to ride her. The farmer's other horses are lost. They are on the island of lost horses. Dulce whinnies. She wants Dora to follow her. She runs off. The farmer gives Dora a magic necklace. It matches Dulce's necklace. Dora and her friends follow Dulce's tracks. They find Dulce on a raft. The raft takes the friends through a fog. They arrive on the island of lost horses. The magic necklaces start to glow. The lost horses are near. The friends search for the horses. Dora and Naya run. Marco gets to ride Dulce. The horses are found. Dulce is happy to see her friends. Oh no! Bandits are coming. They want to steal the horses. Dora tells the horses to run fast. The bandits chase them. The friends lead the horses onto the raft. At the raft, Dora's necklace glows. Dulce is stuck. The bandits are coming. Marco and Dora ride to Dulce. They reach her just in time. Dora frees Dulce. They ride to the raft. Dulce leaps on. Everyone is safe. Dora and her friends take the horses back to the farm. The farmer is very happy. The farmer lets Dora keep the magic necklace. Dora will always be a special friend to Dulce and the lost horses.